boring machine. No, I don't want to go into that cement. Yeah, I gotta stop over. Wow. Oh, so this is this the truck that takes
The segment.
it brings segments in. So this is the thing that will autonomously deliver the segments. So I can back up safely, right? What am I seeing in that window? Is that
You can take this. This is auto level, so it's auto steering now so that you don't hit it.
Yeah.
You just need to control the throttle.
Because it's a turn, yeah. Safest if I do auto, because you know, like, I'm pretty tight on both my mirrors there.
You're not driving the raw tunnel, you're actually driving under the boring machine. The boring machine is over your head right now.
Yes, so this is yes, exactly. This is the truck that comes back and forth. Yeah, correct. So this, and do I have a second on me?
Right now at the Boring Company.
So you have
Across
like
the street.
6 seconds.
And I'm trying to
like
deliver it.
Starlink.
I'm trying to deliver it to
gantry mode.
Yeah, gotcha. Just make sure I don't go too far.
Where? Yes, you can come here. Where are you right now?
Wow.